Good morning, friends. Let's go out.
Okay, let's get ready.
Wow, what a beautiful morning.
Yes, it feels nice.
Look, wheel tracks.
Where do they go? An apple? Maybe someone dropped it.
More apples. Something happened here. Where did all these apples come from? Let's go forward and check. What happened?
A big bull chased me. I was running fast with my cart. Then my cart hit the tree and broke.
Wow, this apple looks perfect. All done. Let's go to the market. Oh no! A bull! Please don't chase me! Oh no! It's coming this way! Please don't hit my cart! Oh no! My cart! My apples! My cart is broken!
Now I can't take my apples to the market.
Don't be sad. We will help you.
First, let's fix the cart. Yes! Let's fix it together. Good news! We can fix it! I have an idea! An idea!
Where are we going?
We're looking for a stick to fix your cart. A stick? There it is!
Perfect. This stick will work.
How will you fix my cart with a stick?
Come, we'll show you.
See? Only the support broke.
We can fix it with this stick.
You guys are geniuses! It's working! All fixed!
My cart is fixed. Thank you, friends.
That's what friends are for!
We fixed the cart today. Hip, hip, hooray! Roll, roll down the way. Hip, hip, hooray! Friends can help, yes we can. Working together is the plan. Hey, hey, hip, hip, hooray! Hooray!
Wow! The market is busy today! Your apples will sell fast! Come and get your fresh apples! Thank you! The monkey looked really happy today. Helping friends feels good. Good night, friends.
Hi, friends!